I stood on the floor of the United States Senate when health care hung by a single vote. And we managed to save health care. But I want to remind everybody in this room, we actually expanded this conversation beyond just the Affordable Care Act to talk a little bit about Medicaid, a program that's been there for a long time. Your neighbor who has a home health aide who comes by for a couple of hours a day, and that's how she's able to stay in her home, that's Medicaid. Your friend's adult child who has issues with mental illness and needs support, that's Medicaid. Your niece who had the baby, who ran up $1 million in medical bills in the first month, and even though the parents have health insurance, all that special equipment the baby's gonna need, all those special therapists, that's Medicaid. So here's how I see this. You wanna understand America? Look at that program, because what it fundamentally says about us as a people is we don't know whose grandma outlives her savings. We don't know who falls prey to mental illness. We don't know whose niece has the baby that needs $1 million in medical care. But what we do know is that as Americans, as patriotic Americans, we all pitch in some nickels, so if it happens to your family, all of the rest of us will be there. Thank you. Yes.